Guys, what's going on? Mike is back with another speaker review. So I'm doing the tons of review. If you're new to my channel, definitely watch my other videos. I did all kind of experience, mostly every other speakers who like good sales rank, right? On this video we're gonna unbox the KICKER speaker, 6.5 speaker. This is the most expensive. It sells $150 in Best Buy. I put the cheapest link if I find at Amazon or any other places. So I put the links on description, you can get it. And also, just before I unbox and run the sound test, bass test, all the stuff, the craziness is going on, I'm gonna connect to amplifier. I'm gonna let you listen how's the actually sound quality, all that stuff. We're gonna do it. So let's get back to the speaker. This is the most expensive, as I say, it's like $150. Of course, I did JBL $80 version and the Pioneers with the $80 version. So I'm gonna choose from the 15 different kind of speakers, the best ones, the best 5 one, and I will install in the box. I will throw tons of power and we'll see who's gonna be the best speaker on the 6.5. So this guy is like 200 watts RMS power, 200 peak power. You don't need all that stuff. It's gonna play like 43 to 21K. So even the two-way speakers, some speaker it says 41K, but you're never gonna hear those tiny speakers like a 4-way speakers like other guys. Those tweeters you're never gonna hear it, but it's just the advertising. I'm telling you, it's like stop like just reading the specs before you buy them, because like I don't know, it's my 80%, not 80, it's like a 50% speakers manufacturer, they just advertising. So this speaker you can just run on the head unit, straight from the head unit, or you can use like a small amplifier up to 100 watt RMS and you're gonna be happy. So we're gonna give him the tons of power and we'll see how the speaker will. You're gonna receive just exactly the same box. So that's how you pull up the speaker. Okay, this is the speaker itself. Build quality is decent. So some power cord. You have a nice grill. The grill quality is really good. As you can see, you can install this grill and the KICKER. I use like a 3-4 KICKER speakers, and I'll always have a positive side on this KICKER speakers. They're decent for the price, right? They're very good. But this one is $150. So some places selling $100. This is the close-up view for you guys. This is the filtrations going on. Even for the bass side, you don't have filters, only for, so you have a double, triple filtration for the tweeter. So 3/4 tweeter, some silk tweeter, but it's the real filtration is like I never saw like that much filtration going on to the tweeter. And for the bass cone, you don't have any kind of filtration, so it is gonna be whatever you throw it, it's gonna be fine. So we're gonna compare with this guy. Let me connect to my amplifier and run some music test, right? Alright, we're gonna start from some trap music and we're gonna go to guitars and all the vocals, all that stuff, right? Let me play on this guy. I have another KICKER, it's sitting here. It's a lot cheaper version, so this one is a lot expensive one, so I'm gonna unbox the next video on this one. But this guy, it's let me connect the JBL here. This guy is sitting here and they're waiting in this turn. The JBL is around how much? It's around $80, a lot cheaper than that. But his bass is definitely punchier. So JBL gives you more bass and the lower volume. This guy gives more punchier bass at the lower volume, right? The JBL steel tweeter is a lot louder and brighter, but we're gonna install in the box and we're gonna run them like crazy. We're gonna throw the tons of bass and we'll see how they will perform in the bass. So let's back to the kicker. Let me run the different song. Actually, this guy's sounds not bad at all. Like it's good sound is kicker. Yeah, at this point, they're both losing the bass quality because it's open air also, right? The reason why I'm always doing the open air test, you can see my other videos, I start from the open air test always, how they move on the free air and you're gonna hear any mechanical noise or not, all that stuff. The both is maximum out at the, excuse me, both are maximum out at the same the level, but the JBL still gives a lot, you know, the smoother bass, like, you know, like subwoofer bass, but this guy is a lot punchier. If you run only these speakers, I think my choice is gonna be the JBL, but if you wanna add some small subwoofer and take it off the bass from this guy, it's gonna be nicer, you know, than like a mid-bass speaker, and will play really good with balanced sound. So depending what, definitely these speakers are upgrade, not the replacement speakers, as I said in my previous video. You can see it has the JBL skills like $80 on the previous video, $80 Pioneer speaker. It is $80 JBL, so the same price you can get a lot nicer, you know. Even the two-way speaker can bring up a lot brighter tweeters, a lot detailed tweeters than, you know, the four-way other brand speakers, right? So all that, you know, the 5-way, 25 ways, all the advertising today's date, you can get, you know, the 1-2-way speakers, and it will produce, you know, the really nice sound. We're gonna compare these in the box, and even though I shouldn't compare in the box, like for the price range, but can you find a different speaker, the better speaker for that, for these guys, better speaker than these guys? Definitely you can find a way better speaker for that you know, price. It's gonna be the same power input, the output is gonna be a total different level. So that's on my channel, you're gonna watch it, and definitely if you subscribe to my channel, it's gonna help me a lot to grow this channel and to produce some more videos, so you can, before you invest like tons of money trying to do all kind of different speakers, you just watch my videos and pick for yourself, you know, the best speaker. I'm out. I'm gonna run the next KICKER speaker right now, and we're gonna see open air test, also unboxing, and we'll see how's the cheaper version is gonna be sounding, right? Thank you very much for watching, guys.